For many families, career choices still mean just two things: engineering or MBBS. But here is the reality: these two are not the only or even the most rewarding paths anymore. By 2030, more than half of the fastest growing careers will be outside these two fields. If we continue to see the future only through this narrow lens, we risk closing doors to opportunities where today's teens could truly thrive. Hello, I'm Indu Ishwarappa, a career coach and co-founder of Next Moves. Over the last few years, I have guided students who felt cornered into these two familiar options, doctor or engineer, and I've seen the impact. Talented young people doubting themselves, parents feeling anxious, and potential getting lost. The truth is, the world has already opened new doors. Technology, business, social sciences, and creative industries are all expanding in ways most families are not even aware of. These are not experimental paths. They are established careers with real demand and global relevance. Today, I want to walk you through some of the best courses beyond engineering and MBBS, where they lead, who they suit, and why they may be the better fit for your child. My goal is to help you see what's possible so career planning becomes less about pressure and more about clarity. Let me ask you this: if every student chooses only two professions, who will build solutions for climate change? Who will design the technology that powers tomorrow's businesses? Who will strengthen mental health systems or shape global policy? The future needs diverse thinkers. It needs researchers, communicators, psychologists, economists, designers, and even entrepreneurs. Yet, in most families, these conversations don't even begin because the focus stays locked on just engineering and medicine. This is where many students begin to feel stuck. They sense that their interests don't align with those two paths, but they don't know what else exists. And parents without exposure to new age courses fear that exploring anything outside the known could be very risky. And here is the shift. The real risk is not exploring new fields, it's ignoring them. Because the careers shaping tomorrow are already emerging today, and they need people ready to step in. And here is why this matters to you. Careers today are not just about stability, they are about relevance. The fastest growing roles of this decade include AI scientists, data scientists, sustainability consultants, fintech strategists, and mental health specialists. These are not futuristic ideas, they're roles companies are hiring for right now. If we don't expand our mindset, two things can happen. First, students may enter oversaturated fields where competition is intense, but opportunities are limited. Second, they may miss out on industries where demand is strong and the need for talent is immediate. As parents and students, staying informed is not optional anymore, it's essential. Because the question is not whether careers are changing, they already have. The real question is, are we preparing for them? Or are we holding onto a system that no longer matches the reality of the world outside? Think about it. Every generation had its default path. For our parents, it was government jobs. For us, it became engineering and medicine. But the world does not stay still. Industries evolve, and so do the opportunities. Today, technology, sustainability, and global problem solving are reshaping careers. Those who step into these areas will be the ones leading progress, while those who cling on to the old defaults risk being left behind. So the real opportunity is not in repeating what worked decades ago, it's in helping today's students match their strengths with the fields that are shaping tomorrow. Now let's take a closer look at why sticking to just two career choices is limiting. Engineering is overcrowded. India produces over 15 lakh engineers every year, but reports show only about 1/4 finding roles directly related to their field. Many end up in jobs that don't match with their training, leading to frustration and underemployment. Medicine is no different. Preparing for NEET takes years of effort and heavy financial investment. Even after clearing, the number of medical seats is limited and the journey stretches across a decade before one can fully practice. For students who don't secure seats, the sense of failure can be crushing even if their abilities lie elsewhere. At the same time, industries like artificial intelligence, fintech, environmental sciences, behavioral economics, and digital communication are actively looking for talent. These fields are expanding, but the pipeline of skilled graduates remains too small. The result? Companies face talent shortages while thousands of students remain unaware that these options even exist. The real issue is not lack of opportunity, it's lack of awareness. Families are still operating with an outdated picture of success while the world outside has already changed. I have seen students who reluctantly chose engineering come back years later unsure of their direction, and I've seen others who align their studies with their interests in psychology, climate research, or entrepreneurship grow into professionals who not only build strong careers but also found meaning in their work. The gap is not in talent, it's in guidance. So let's move to what actually matters, the possibilities. Here are some of the most promising courses beyond engineering and MBBS explained with clarity. Let's talk about science stream options. Artificial intelligence and data science. This is ideal for students drawn to logic, coding, and solving complex problems. The careers in these fields are AI engineer, data scientist, machine learning researcher. Second option, climate science and sustainability. This is ideal for students passionate about the environment and real-world impact. The careers that you can look forward to are environmental consultant, climate tech entrepreneur, sustainability policy researcher. Some of the commerce stream options are fintech and business analytics. This is ideal for students who enjoy working with numbers and solving business challenges. The careers that you can look forward to are blockchain strategist, financial analyst, business data consultant. The other option in commerce stream is entrepreneurship and innovation management. This is definitely ideal for students with leadership qualities and a startup mindset. The careers that you can look forward to are being a startup founder, venture capital analyst, and innovation consultant. The other option is behavioral economics and decision science. This is definitely ideal for students who like combining economics and psychology. The kind of careers that will work here are being a policy advisor, UX researcher, or corporate strategist. Now, last but not the least, in humanities stream, some of the career options which are trending are digital media and communication design. This is definitely ideal for students who enjoy creativity, design, and storytelling. The kind of careers that you can build in this are digital strategist, AR or VR designer, and media producer. The other option in humanities is international relations and global policy. This is ideal for students who are curious about politics, diplomacy, and world affairs. The kind of careers that you can build are being a diplomat, policy researcher, think tank analyst, or being NGO leader. Last but not the least, psychology and mental health sciences. This is ideal for students who connect deeply with people and problem solving. The type of careers in this are clinical psychologist, counseling specialist, organizational psychologist. I'd forgotten one more thing. This is digital anthropology and human tech studies. This is ideal for students who ask how technology is changing society. Careers: tech researcher, user behavior analyst, NGO consultant. Each of these fields represents growing demand. More importantly, they cater to different student strengths: analytical, creative, empathetic, or strategic. Exploring them ensures careers that are not just secure but meaningful. The next time someone tells you engineering or MBBS are the only real careers, you will know that's no longer true. The strongest careers of tomorrow are already emerging across science, commerce, and humanities. The question is no longer which course is safe, it's which course aligns with my child's strengths and the world's needs. When parents and students start looking beyond stereotypes, they see possibilities that were hidden until now. And that's where confidence replaces fear, because career planning stops being about ticking boxes and becomes about building futures with clarity and purpose. If this conversation opened up new possibilities for you, I encourage you to explore further. Download our Career Clarity Toolkit. The link is given in the description. To understand how to use this toolkit, the episode that you need to watch of Preeti Durga is also mentioned in the description. This toolkit will help you identify courses that match strengths, interests, and future opportunities. And if you found this video useful, please subscribe and share it with other parents and students who are caught in doctor or engineer loop. At Next Moves, we believe the right career is not chosen by default, it's discovered with awareness and guidance. The earlier you start, the stronger your direction becomes. Careers are not meant to be chosen out of habit, but they are meant to be discovered with clarity. Engineering and medicine will always have their place, but they're not the only doors to success. Your child's future deserves possibilities, not pressure. Thank you for being here with me today. I'm Indu Ishwarappa, and I believe that career decisions should come from clarity, not confusion. Until next time, stay curious, stay open, and remember, the right path is always the one that truly fits.